Okay guys, I'm just on my way to meet the guys and get a cold beer, but before I do, I just wanted to go through my kit bag, the things I took with me. Remember, I took a 17-kilo pack. It was a 13-day, 200-mile trip from coast to coast, from St. Bees to Robin Hood's Bay. Let me know what you think. I'm just back from my 13-day hiking trip from coast to coast, following Wainwright's 190, about 200 mile actually. So I took some detours trip, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the kit I took. I took a 17-kilo pack, took a big Bergen with about 17 kilos in it, so I'm going to go through it. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, leave some comments on what you would carry. I have just arrived in my room. I'm in the Cumberland Hotel in Scarborough, so I'm just going to go through my kit. I'm still wearing, as you can see, I've still got my muddy boots on. Muddy boots and my pants and my top. Anyway, I'll go through my bag and show you what else I have got. Right, so this is the bag. Oh. So I'll go through the bag. This is the bag that I've got. It's holding probably about 17 litres of kit. So let me just unpack some of the stuff and show you. Okay, seems to be a hell of a lot of stuff here, so I'll just go through it and show you what I had to carry. So, sleeping bag. This is the Underwood aggregator. That's a trekking pole tent. And then I've got my tent poles here. These are Alp kit. These are really good, really nice bit of kit. Alp kit Marathon Ultra trekking poles. And then I buy a lot of Alp kit stuff. I really like it. It's good quality. It's made in England. This is a Hucker bivy bag, so that goes over your sleeping bag so it doesn't get wet. Then I bought this ultralight sleeping mat. That's a blow-up sleeping mat. Cooking, I've got a little burner, this massive gas canister, because I was planning on camping every night and I didn't. I camped twice. Then I've got this really nice little cooking set, Alex cooking set. That is two-piece cooking set, lightweight, titanium. That goes in the bag. Right, then for dry stuff, I've got this Gore-Tex mountain equipment, Gore-Tex rain jacket, which I've worn a lot, and I have just had it. I just re-waterproofed it. And I've got some Alp kit, just over trousers, some waterproof trousers. They're brilliant. This jacket is a very old Alp kit down jacket that has probably saved my life more than once. I sleep in it sometimes. I wear it when I'm freezing. I've worn that up Kilimanjaro and Minnetonka. I've worn it a lot of places. These are new to me. I've just bought these. These are for Raven. These are the ones you put wax on. They put wax on these. Actually quite expensive. These are like £200 trousers. So you put wax on them and then you iron it in, and they're meant to be like waterproof or waterproof-ish with the wax. Right, tops wise, so I've got 3 of these Alp kit. These are merino wool. These are fantastic bit of kit. These are amazing. They don't smell. They keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This is an old top I had in China, two red top. So this one. This is this is like a compression top. I can't remember who's made this. I think I got it in somewhere like Millets. It's a really nice, it's really nice warm top. I probably didn't need some of these, so many tops. I've got 13 days worth of equipment here. This is an old First Descent one I bought in South Africa. And this is a running top that I had in China that I got when I did some run. Didn't wear these. These are some lightweight running pants, so they didn't weigh anything, from Decathlon. For some reason I bought 2 head torches, so I thought the head torch would be useful, which it was for a couple of times. I bought 2, maybe I was going to lend one to someone, but it doesn't have any batteries. That was just given back to me, so I had to carry it. Obviously I had all my filming stuff, so my camera, all the batteries, this massively heavy battery pack. I bought these because I thought I might use them in case I needed some water, but I didn't. Just for emergencies, and that's headphones. A load of various dry bags, different sizes to keep all stuff dry inside. Bag cover. Another dry bag. Too many hats, way too many hats. I've got 2 woolly hats, 2 bob hats, and this was quite useful when it rains, keep the rain off my glasses when I put my hood up. Dry socks, waterproof socks, sealskin socks. These are probably a bit old and they're okay, they don't work super well. A couple of buffs. I love these, you can wear these like so many different ways. Warm gloves and over gloves for when it rains. Didn't really wear those, wore them back once. Wore these a few times, didn't really wear them super much. Clean undies. So I didn't really carry a lot too much. I probably brought too many tops for 13 days. If I had rough camp, I could have just gone a bit smellier and not changed so much. I bought coffee. So I bought 8 of these food packets, these Wayfarer food packets. They're just boiled in the bag. They were brilliant. In there, another dry bag with lots of battery stuff and cables and stuff like that. Little warm mug, Stanley mug, which is great for keeping coffee in when I'm traveling, or hot chocolate. And then just a water bottle, has about 1.5 litres of water that my girlfriend gave me. So I just brought that along. Nice to have and useful. So that is all the kit. Let me know what you think. Is it too much? It's about 17 kgs of stuff. What do you think? What do you think you would take? What do you need? What don't you need? What is super important when you are planning your trip? So let me know what you think. Is that the right amount of a kit for a 2-week coast to coast journey? I wanted to camp all the time. It was actually very wet and rainy and I was worried about it getting a bit too cold. So I probably could have camped. I probably could have camped a lot more than I did, or I chose to go into hostels and spend some money on some fancy hotels. It was very nice because I was with my mates, and it was nice to have a few beers and eat some nice food, and it's meant to be a holiday. So anyway, that is the video. That is my kit. What would you carry? Let me know if you would carry less or more. And I hope you like my other videos from the coast to coast trip. I'm just about to edit those, so they'll be uploaded very soon. Okay, right, so thanks for watching. I hope you like that kit review. What kind of stuff do you carry when you're hiking? How much do you carry? I know that I carried a lot of weight. Would you carry that much weight? It was pretty heavy, but you get used to it. The first day was a bit nightmares. Appreciate all you guys that subscribe to my channel. It always helps a million, so that's fantastic. Anyway, that's me. I am just about to now. I've still got my wet muddy boots on. I'm in Scarborough. I'm going to meet the guys and I'm going to have a beer.